Prescient Healthcare Consulting is a new company. It's been about a year old. We create intellectual property based on predictive models for patients admitted to hospitals. We then use those models, embed them in an electronic medical record system, and that helps hospitals to improve quality of care, cut down on length of stay, increase throughput, thereby helping their financials as well as their performance. A number of hospitals have provided data via their intensive care unit systems to enable me to look at upwards of 70 to 100,000 patients. And we derive data from these systems to create predictive models of length of stay, mortality, mechanical ventilation, and we can also predict how much their cost in the hospital will be. We've collected every vital sign taken on a patient in an intensive care unit. And what we're doing is we're trying to look at predictions, alerts, and triggers that will help us detect patient deterioration 30 minutes to an hour before the patient actually starts to what they call crump. My overall impression of VIA is that it's where SAS needed to be. It's where other platforms and tools will not be. SAS will be alone. It's going to be a revolutionary change, both for new users, but particularly for those experienced SAS users. They'll embrace it, be able to do their projects quicker, with less time needed to write code, and for faster execution of their algorithms. SAS is important to data scientists. The reason being is that data science is not just one particular procedure. It's a whole toolkit of procedures embedded around other technologies like SQL, visual analytics, the ability to do data manipulation, data pre-processing. It's a whole environment, as I alluded to. And SAS gives a data scientist the complete environment that he or she will need. It enabled me to do things quicker. It made things easier to do. It also allowed me to run SAS wherever I was. I saw firsthand how going from a single-threaded to a multi-threaded architecture can vastly improve speed. I needed to run a neural network, and I had a database of 600,000 patients. Normally, that would take, probably on the order of 45 minutes to an hour. It took 40 seconds in VIA. Occasionally, there is a particular algorithm or method that hasn't found its way into SAS yet, and it could be in Python or R. And the open architecture of VIA allows me to continue using SAS and pull in some of these functions or libraries that aren't yet in SAS.